Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change your PIN in Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Google Pay guys, you'll be greeted by this new main page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and log into your account, or if you do not have one already, go ahead and sign up for a new account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this homepage of the application where you can see you can set up tap to pay, you can send or request money, track up spending, and so on. So now what we want to do guys is go ahead and click on the upper right corner profile picture that you can see right here. Click on that profile icon, and this is now going to go ahead and open up this new menu, as you can see, with options that you have like wallet. Here you can see your Google Pay balance, you can invite friends, and so on. So guys, what do we have to do if we want to change our PIN? No, it's very easy guys. What we want to do is go ahead and click on this section right here that says linked accounts and payment methods. So guys, you want to go ahead and click on linked accounts and payment methods, and in that menu option right there that will open up, you want to go ahead and select the bank that you have connected or your credit card. So you want to go ahead and select whatever you want to change the PIN for, and in that new menu that you will open up is going to be an option that says to change your UPI PIN or something like that. Just find the option and select that, and you will be able to successfully change your PIN. Just follow the instructions that will show up. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.